Hello everybody, welcome to Pamela's Creations. Globleland reached out to me to receive a few of their products to test out. So I of course said yes. So I'm going to show you what Globleland sent me, and then I'm going to show you real quick how to go to their website and look around. So the first thing I picked out were the honeycomb, the branch. So this is all kinds of dies. So I got that, and then I got some of these stamped acrylic blocks, and everything was packaged really well. I actually thought this was my husband's package at first. So yeah. So I got all these cute acrylic blocks. And so we got those. And these. Got quite a bit in this package. This little small one here. This here. There's that. Like I said, it came in this nice zip bag, and it all was packaged very well. It was immaculate. It was all wrapped, bubble wrapped. It was very nice. And the next thing I got, which I thought was a little smaller, but that's fine, was a set of these burlap bags. And look at how nice these are. These are really nice. And you could decorate them, and they have the strings on them here on the sides, kind of like a backpack, and you could pull it like that. And I got a set, I think it's 4. Yeah, a set of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very nice, sturdy bags. Pull you up. So there we go. I love these bags. They are very thick. Oh, I forgot one. And yeah, the inside is really nice. Very sturdy bags. Yes, I really like these. Great for project bags or whatever, overnight bags. Super, super nice. So, I'm going to pause you for a second. Alright, I'm back, and I wanted to show you real quick their website. If I can try to... Alright, so here is their website. It's Globleland.com. I will link the products that I got and everything and their website linked down below in the description box. And as you can see, they have some very cute items. And it's very, very easy to navigate their website. So as you can see on top here, they have new cutting dies, silicone stamps, paper supplies, craft essentials. And you just click on that, and it comes down here. Come down here, and you can see. And look how inexpensive these items are. These are stencils. Super cute. And then you can go to cutting dies and say you want earring dies. And they got all kinds of variety of dies. So say you want to add something to your cart. So we'll pick an item. So you can do quick view. Explains a little bit. Availability. And then scroll down here, add to cart. Oops. And right here, it shows you your total. And then you proceed to check in my thing here. So when you check out, you could check out here. You proceed to check out. And it takes you to another screen. And then right here is the shipping information. And it says right here, if you already have an account, log in. And then you have it, if you have a discount code, you have it here. So you can do this here. And if you're a new customer, you can create an account. So when you go back, when it says already have an account, just hit the login and create an account if you're a new customer. And then you fill out your information, and that way all you gotta do is just log in. They have your information, so you constantly not asking you. So you just fill out your information and you can just log in and everything's right there. And then they have, here in the US on the top, oops, you have a search bar, or excuse me, I'm trying to find my, there we go. You pick what kind, and then if you want to search for something, you hit the search button. And if you want to create an account, there we were talking about that. Had already talked about that. And you got wish list, shopping cart. It is very, very simple to navigate through. Please go check out Globleland and see what they have available. Like I said, their stuff is very inexpensive. And they also can go here to the new part and you can check out their new items as well and see what they have. Strawberries and background bamboo and clear silicone stamps. So much to choose from. These little girls, aren't they cute? My daughter loves Japanese. I didn't see that. Anyway, 73 cents. You can't go wrong with that. All right, I will have everything listed down below, their website and the things I had purchased. Please go check them out. And I want to thank everyone for stopping by and watching my videos. And I will see you in the next one. Take care for now. Stay safe.